Hello, little explorers! Today, we'll meet some friendly farm animals, hear their funny sounds, and discover mind-blowing facts about them. Are you ready for an amazing adventure on the farm? Let's go! Yes, this is a cow. Did you know? The cow can smell things up to 6 miles, 9 kilometers away. And a cow's stomach has 4 parts to help digest tough plants. Yes, this is a sheep. Did you know? Their wool keeps growing until it's sheared. And they have rectangular-shaped pupils for better vision. Yes, this is a goat. Did you know? Baby goats, kids, love to jump and climb. And they have accents in their voices, just like humans. Yes, this is a horse. Did you know? Horses can sleep both standing up and lying down. And a horse's teeth never stop growing. Yes, this is a chicken. Did you know? They talk to their chicks even before they hatch. And a chicken can lay over 300 eggs in a year. Yes, this is a duck. Did you know? Ducks have waterproof feathers. And ducks can sleep with one eye open to stay safe. Yes, this is a turkey. Did you know? Their head changes color when they feel different emotions. And they have great vision and can see in color. Yes, this is a goose. Did you know? They fly in a V-shape to save energy. And geese are excellent guards and can honk loudly to warn of danger. Yes, this is a donkey. Did you know? They have super strong hooves to walk on rocky terrain. And donkeys have an incredible memory. They remember places and friends for years. Yes, this is a rabbit. Did you know? Rabbits' teeth never stop growing. And rabbits can see behind them without turning their heads. Yes, this is a cat. Did you know? Cats are great at catching mice on farms. And they can rotate their ears 180 degrees to hear better. Yes, this is a dog. Did you know? Farm dogs help herd animals like sheep and cows. And dogs' noses are so powerful they can detect scents miles away. Wow! That was so much fun! We met amazing farm animals, heard their funny sounds, and learned incredible facts. Which farm animal was your favorite? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun adventures. See you next time, little explorers!